In this video, you'll learn how to start transactions so you can get your documents signed. Before we go further, let's discuss a few terms. Documents are your agreements or contracts you want to share for viewing, approval, and signing. These are documents like sales contracts, renewals, employment applications and agreements, enrollments, admissions, basically any document or form you want online. Parties are people or process steps. Parties define common names of the people in their roles when processing documents. One or more documents are placed into a package. So a package can have just one document, like your sales agreement, or several, like an employee information form, application, policy acknowledgement, background authorization, and employment agreement. The package is then configured into a transaction template to control access like who can start and control it, retention like how long it remains in the system, as well as branding for use of the documents by multiple companies. If you have a customer that simply needs to fill out your document and sign, you'll need to provide a public link to that document. In this case, your customer starts the transaction. If you need to fill your document before it is signed, you'll need to access it first from Open eSign Forms. In this case, you start the transaction. If you have an external system that has information you'd like to start with, your external system will post the information, and in this case, the post starts the transaction. To retrieve the URL or link to provide to your client to access your document directly, or to an external program to post information to, simply log into eSign Forms, go to Programming. Under Programming, go to Transaction Templates. From there, select the transaction of interest. Down below, you'll see the links for the production or test system. Simply copy and paste the link and provide that to your client or to the external system to post to. If you have a form that needs to be filled before sending to the customer, you'll need to log into Open eSign Forms. Once you do, click on Start Transaction. There you'll find a list of transactions that are available for you to run. By clicking on the transaction of interest, you'll bring up the form for you to fill and send. Complete the form by filling out the fields, review, and when done, simply submit to send it to your customer.